I can either burn the bar down, or I can take your number out my phone. I can give you up right now and never want you back long as I'm half stoned. If you want me to quit you, want me to get you out of my heart and baby on my mind, I hate to tell you, girl, but I'm only quitting one thing at a time. Oh yeah, I hate to tell you. Oh yeah, I hate to tell you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and request any other songs that you want to learn. This is how to play One Thing at a Time by Morgan Wallen. I think this is one of his newest songs, and it's so good. I love it. I also love the Tennessee Fan song, so I made a video about that as well, and I'll include like a link to that. So let's get down to it. This song is a pretty easy song. The strumming might be a little bit different than what you're used to, but it's not difficult at all. So it's in standard tuning and there's no capo, okay? You're only going to use a few chords in this song. I'm going to show you those first. I will then show you, so I'm going to show you the chords you're going to play, the strumming patterns, and where you play the chords as well with the lyrics for the intro, the verses, and everything. Now, stick with me until the bridge because it's just a little bit different. But for the most part, the chord progression is basically the same throughout the song, which is kind of a... I was going to say that's something Morgan Wallen always does, but it's not. So let's get into it. So the chords you're going to use, all right, you're going to do C, all right, and then you're going to do D, and then G, then E minor, okay? And that's the chord progression for I think the whole song, okay? So the way the song starts out is... Okay, so that's how it goes. Now, you're gonna start with C, and it's gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So when you go to D, so it's every other chord you do, you're gonna change the chord progression a little bit. You're gonna do down, down, up, down, up. So you go down, down, up, down, up. So you go down, up on D, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's what you do there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then G, then you do the same thing. You just repeat that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So when you go from G to E minor, that's when you do the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through that now. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're going to do it twice. You're just going to do C, D, G, E minor, and then repeat that. And then after the second time, you're actually going to do it differently for the chorus, or sorry, for the verses. So for the verses, you can do one of two things here. So, and you can totally mix this up if you want to. So you can just do, somebody hand me a cigarette. I know I ain't had one in over a week. So you could just do single strums, okay? Okay, so you could just do that. The other option is actually to palm mute it, and I think that sounds really good too. So you put this part of your hand as close as you can, not like on top of that, but like right in front of it, and you would just do straight down strum. So you do, somebody hand me a cigarette, and on cigarette you do C, cigarette, D. I know I ain't had one in over a week. Somebody pour me a double shot. Okay, so then you're gonna do. And so I'll show you where you play the chords with all of that, okay? But either way, you're playing the chords on the same lyrics. So you're gonna do, somebody hand me a cigarette. So cigarette is C, cigarette, D, and you do play D before you do I know. I know I ain't had is G, had one in over a week. So week is E minor, week. Somebody pour me a double shot. So double is C, double shot. D. Been getting better by the day. So day is G. Day, but tonight I drink. So drink is E minor. Drink. You say I gotta get over. So over is C. over you, and get sober too. So over is C, over you, and get sober. So get sober is D, all right? And get sober too. I got a lotta is where you're gonna play G. Lot of habits I gotta kick. So kick is where you do E minor. Kick. Way, so way is C. Weigh out all your options. Options is D. Options and take your pick. So pick is G, pick. And then E minor. I can either burn the bar down, or I can take a number out my phone. I can give you up right. So then you're gonna do the strumming that you did for the intro. You're gonna do that same thing in the chorus, okay? So the way the chorus is gonna go, you're gonna do, so you just played E minor. I can either burn the bar down. So bar is where you're gonna play C. Bar down, D. Okay, so same chord progression. D. Or I can take a number. So number is G. Number out my phone. So phone is E minor. Phone, I can give you up right. Right is C. Right now. And then you do D after that. Now, after now. Now, right, I never want you back. Back is G. Back long as I'm half stoned. So half stoned is E minor. Stoned if you want me to quit you. Okay. Want me to quit you is C. Want me to quit you. Quit you. Want me to get. So get is D. Get you out of my heart. So heart is G. Heart baby of my mind. So mind is E minor. Mind. I hate to tell you, girl. So girl is C. Girl, but I'm only quitting. Only quitting is G. Is D. Quitting one thing at a time. So time is G. Time. Then you do E minor. Oh yeah, I hate to tell you. So one way to remember that in the chorus, like where you're doing the strumming, is usually when he's talking faster. That's where you're doing the up and up down, the faster strumming. So it's like, I can either burn the bar down, I can take it, see, or I can take your number out my phone. I can give you up right. See, it's like that. When you do the faster talking, it's like you're strumming faster. Okay, just straight up and down. So, and then he goes, "Oh, I hate to tell you" at the end of the chorus. I think he does it at the end of the second chorus, but you just repeat the strumming pattern. Okay, so it's just, "Oh yeah, I hate to tell you." Then when you go to E minor, you just do it again. "Oh yeah, I hate to tell you." "Oh yeah, I hate to tell you." Then when you go to the next verse, you're gonna do, or you're gonna single strum. Okay, so now the difference is when you get to the chorus, this is where it really slows, the bridge, this is where it really slows down. So he goes, "I ain't no super," and it's just single strums here. Superman is C. Superman, I'm just the way. So way is D. Way I am if I'm gonna move. So move on is G. Move on and I needed something in. In is E minor. In my hand, ain't nothing wrong. Wrong is C. Wrong with that. So after that you play D. That. And if you ain't coming back. So coming is G. Coming back. So after back you play E minor. Back. I can either burn the bar down. Okay, so then when you do this last chorus here, I would start it with palm muting. I can either burn the bar down, or I can take your number out my phone. And then after you do the E minor, then you're gonna play it like regular. Phone, I can give you up right now. Never want you back long as I'm half stoned. If you want me to quit you, want me to get you out of my heart, and baby, on my mind. I hate to tell you, girl, but I'm only quitting one thing at a time. Oh yeah, I hate to tell you. Okay, so that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. Thanks so much for watching, and see me next time.